Hey guys, in this video we are going to review the COSTWAY 2000W Multipurpose Steam Cleaner. If you want more information, please start the video. Features: COSTWAY is making its way to the list again with a 2000-watt canister steam cleaner that has a more powerful boiler. It has 51 ounces of the water tank that heats up within 6 minutes. The maximum boiler temperature is 329 degrees Fahrenheit for deep cleaning and will last up to 30-45 minutes of continuous steam. The powerful canister is a multi-purpose cleaner that works flawlessly against dirt on vehicles, BBQ grills, carpet, toilet, car seat, oven, floor, sofa, and more. I'm glad that COSTWAY added two temperature functions where you can set 226 degrees Fahrenheit and 329 degrees Fahrenheit temperature. You do have a child safety lock that turns off steam instantly and is located on the top of the handle. There is a safety feature that releases the steam if it overboils. The combination of 3 meters power cord and 2 extension tubes assists the customers to reach tricky spots and 19 different accessories included in the box. Pros: removes stains, pet stains, and odors. Relatively lightweight and easy to move. Variety of attachments for different spaces. Heats to operating temperature quickly. Cons: lacking guidance on assembly and use. Short power cord.